Ciao world! This is a D07 tube amplifier, practice tube amplifier. I have built to play guitar from an old Philips recorder, the EL3514. I have found that recorder in the dumpster and you will see now how it was. This is the donor recorder of the amplifier. By the way, it is already broken in some points, but now it's all broken because I have cut a few pieces of the board, but it doesn't work when I take this from the junk. So it was like that, and I've used the internal tube of the amplifier that was ECC83, the EL95. Then there's also the DM71, that is a tuning indicator that I don't use for this project. Well, the case is a wine bottle case. And this is the original grill from the Philips that comes in a plastic case. I take this grill off, then I engraved on this piece of plastic the name of the amplifier, and I have glued the Philips logo here. There's one off button indicator in, there's the volume, a treble and low tone stack, and the gain indicator. Here, back here, you can see the tube. Indeed, if I open on the back, this is also the original handle of the amplifier. And this is the back side. There's the speaker output if you want to connect an external speaker. And if we look how it is inside, there's a speaker also from an old radio. It's a 4-ohm speaker. You see the shape of the speaker, it's old. And there you can find electronic. There is a couple of boards. This is not point-to-point. There's a couple of prototype board that I'm using, and those are the two tube I've used. One is branded Philips, the other came some branded, maybe was Philips, maybe the brand was gone by the time, and inside here I don't open this because there's nothing more than a couple of electronics and a transformer. Also the transformer, you can set up various mains voltage here. And so as for the amplifier, I have taken the Fender Champ as reference, and for the tone stack I take the Fender Blackface as reference. Then I don't find nothing for reference on the guitar world for the EL95, so I decide to take the original schematic and change a few values, and the EL95 is a 3-watt output giving 250 volts on the plate. And so final result, the result looks good. Not the best amplifier I built in terms of look, but it's good. It's vintage looking, but it sounds really good. This sounds really good. It has 3 watt, but it sounds good to me.